What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Xpeng. We're going to be doing a technical analysis on it and then just going over basically where I think it's heading and what it needs to do. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let's get right into this technical analysis. Now, basically, Xpeng is up 85 cents today, about 3%. So not a bad day right now on Xpeng. But what it's doing right now is what is important, and that is holding above 3065. Now, I've been breaking down Xpeng for a little bit now, and I've been talking about that we need to get above 3065 and hold above it. The reason why is because it was a previous resistance right here, and then we broke above it today, and we're confirming it from the top side. So the story tells you right now, guys, that we had sellers here before, so we tried to push up, buyers tried to get us above it. Sellers came in, pushed us down, and then tried to do it again, push us down. So this acted as an area of where sellers were, and there were not a lot of buyers. However, the story recently changed. We pushed up to it, didn't get that huge rejection like we did the other day, and then we pumped right up, and then now we're kind of basing out above 3065. So that's why I'm saying, guys, that we need to hold this 3065 area, because it signifies that buyers are here now and that we're on the top side, and you do not want us to break above that. Now, just like with the NEO, these EVs, these Chinese EV stocks, have been really taking a hit. They've been really in this downtrend, and recently, that's why I have this line here to show you guys, to visualize, we broke out of it. We broke out of it, right? Even though we broke out of it, though, guys, that does not mean we're okay just yet. We have to keep waiting for that confirmation. So right now, we got the start of the trend change. However, we don't exactly have confirmation right now because we're still in a downtrend. Anything right now could potentially push us back down. So what you want to see, obviously, if you're bullish on Xpeng, you do not want to see this scenario right here, because that means we're still in the downtrend. What you want to see is the push up, what we're doing right now, pull back, push up, pull back. You know, something like this, guys. That's what you want to see. Now, let's take a look at a couple price levels that I'm interested in. So the first one is 35.93. Now, as we were following, I charted this one out because we had buyers here before. So look, 1, 2, 3 times we had buyers. So this level was holding previously, and then we just had that humongous dump. And then what happened? That support acted as a resistance right here. That's why we have those candle wicks right here. That shows you that price at one time pushed up to that level but was unable to hold and then fell back down. So this is another level of interest that we need to look out for. And same right here, guys. We tried to push up. We pushed up here, found buyers, and then we just ripped and roared. Over here, we got rejection. So typically, guys, these levels, they repeat themselves, and that's what we're going to have to watch out for going forward, is if we do get rejected by this level. So I'd be very interested to see how we react around this level. Now, once we push up to it, we have a couple options. We get that rejection and we fall back down, or we get that consolidation and then we rip right up. Now, ideally, if you're bullish on Xpeng, you obviously want that second option to happen, because that signifies that we are confirming the reversal and we are starting to push up. Now, the area I'm looking at for me to be convinced, hey, Xpeng is bullish again, we're a-okay, we don't have anything right now to be too concerned about, is first step, getting above 40.29. Anything below 40.29, I still believe is part of the downtrend, the overall downtrend. I'm not convinced yet until we get above 40.29 to begin with. Even though we get above 40.29, I'm not 100% convinced. For me to be 100% convinced, we need to get above 48.06. 48.06 is that magical area that I want to look out for. Now, it may take us some time again. I know it took us not that very long to fall down from this cliff right here. But the uptrend back up may take some time. So just be prepared that we may have a ride ahead of us. And it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be a straight beeline to 48.06. No, it's going to be a process. That's why we have these levels drawn out for you guys, to show you that, hey, these are little speed bump zones, little areas that we have to watch out to. Because look at 40.29. Look how many times we held this level. We held this level so many times, and then for us to get underneath it, that showed us that we had weakness, and we could have predicted that this move was going to come just because of that weakness we showed. So next time we push up to 40.29, what do we need? We need buyers to show up and a push above it and to confirm it. But overall, I do think, hopefully, that these Chinese EVs, NIO and Xpeng, are on the road to recovery, and it looks like they are, but we just have to have that confirmation and to keep going. Other than that, guys, I hope you did enjoy this quick technical analysis. Let me know in the comments below what's your outlook on Xpeng, or are you just in NIO? Just please let me know, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.